Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom page template in Shopify. It's super useful when you want different layouts for different pages like about, FAQs, and services pages. Let's get started. A page template in Shopify lets you control the layout and sections of any page. For example, you might want to clean simple page for your contact us page and a fancy layout for your about us page. That's where templates come in. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to online store, then themes, find your active theme and click customize. This opens the theme editor where you control how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, click the drop down at the top where it says Home Page. Then choose Pages. Keep your new then click Create Template. Give your new template a name like About Page and FAQ Page. Click Add Section from Template. Click Page. Now title it, select page or create new page like FAQ, and you can either start fresh or paste it on the default page template. Once you create it, you are now editing a brand new template. Now you can design the template however you like, add sections like image banners, text blocks, YouTube embeds from here, testimonials. You can rearrange, edit, or remove sections. It's fully flexible. Once you are happy with that, then click Save. Next, assign this template to a page. Go back to Shopify admin dashboard. Then click Pages from Online Store. Choose an existing page like Contact, or create a new one. Or on the right hand side you will see the template section. Choose a new template you just made, save the page, and now your custom design will show live. You can create multiple templates for different needs like a services page, lookbook, landing pages without custom landing pages without needing extra apps. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.